Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today I have another Valentine uh, images to show you, and they were given to me by Modernista Print Shop on Etsy. And so, yeah, let's get started. Um, so, this is Gothic Valentine's Junk Journal Kit, and I'm going to tell you all about it. It has 12 landscape double-sided pages, 3 ephemera pages, 12 background pages, 3 are lined with lines on them, 2 pocket pages, 2 tag pages, 2 lace pages, 1 button page. This is the large kit, and when I last looked it was on sale, but I don't know how long their sale is going to last. And then they have a small kit where you don't get all the extra ephemera, you only get the double-sided pages, and I'll walk you through that and explain what that means. This is Gothic, and I don't know if I do Gothic, but I love black and pink. So there's only a few pages that I wouldn't use if you love black and pink, and you could still make tags and stuff. So this is what I mean by the small junk journal is double-sided. You just score down the middle. Of course you trim all this if you want. Score down the middle, and there is 1/2 of your junk journal page. You also print on the other side. So look at the layers of depth on this with the flowers and the music notes, and then you can see lace and you can see other flowers. It's just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think like 8 layers, and you can really see it in person. I don't know if the camera's helping, but here's one page and here's another, and you can score it down the middle and you see half and half. And so far it's no skulls or anything. It's Gothic because of skulls and stuff, but so far it's not on here. But look at the lace and flowers and vintage Victorian-y, and here is butterflies and the lace, and you can see handwriting in cursive here. This right here, it's still very pretty. I love it, even though it says Gothic. So far I think I can use this, and of course I will. And here's another page, a little bit grungy, which I think we all like, with the tea or coffee or ink staining. This one with it dripping is a little Gothic, so you could print this and make a tag out of this and not use that, or only use some of it. It's still very usable. You may say, oh, that's not that bad. This has green faces, so that's a little different, but you could use a marker and change that if you wanted to, but it's still very usable. When she gifted me this, she goes, I don't know if this is your style, but so far there's only one image that I'm not sure about. But look how pretty that is. Look at the sunset and the birds. Pink and black are so pretty together, isn't it? See, this is all still very, very usable, doable for me, even though you know how I like very vintage stuff. This is very vintage. So here are the lined sheets, which is usable over and over. Once you download this, you can use this for so many different junk journals. It doesn't have to be just Valentine or pink. Now this is reusable, and I like the very faint pretty picture. This right here is just lace, music notes, and lined. I mean, so usable for so many journals. And here's another one. then here is another. So it's so, I'm thinking she thought that I wouldn't like it, but yes, I love it. And so far there's only one image, you know. Um, and then, you know, you just stick it in and people won't even notice it anyway. Wow, I really like this collage paper images right here. That's nice. And everyone has black, or I have black lace, and I just don't know what to do with it. I'm going to be pulling it out for this project for sure. Very vintage looking, very pretty. Look at all the layers on that. And here is another layer. Here's another layer. Here's some more. Now when you go to buy this, make sure you look at all your images and getting either the small or the large kit, because there's two different kits, and I will give both links down below. You might be looking at the small one and not get all that I'm showing you, so make sure you do your homework. And look at the checkerboard pink. I mean, we can use that on any girl project, boy project. That's just usable year-round. Pink stars, usable year-round. You can't go wrong. So once you download this and you use it for 10-15 years because it's in your download and it's just not one paper pad you bought one time, you can use it year-round. I think this is the chevron. I'm not sure. Those squiggly lines, always usable. And the light pink of it, these are little hearts. So this is a Gothic Valentine's, which I don't even know if we need to use the word Gothic that much until now. So see the skulls here, skull here, and here. This one is not so much except for the wording. So yeah, this is one that, okay, do you use it or not depending on what you're doing. I think Mexico has a holiday, the Day of the Dead or something, so you would really want to use that. So on these, they're all vintage and no skulls, very usable all year round. Another one right here. I printed this all on paper and not heavy cardstock. Of course, when you do cards and tags and stuff, you want it on heavy cardstock. Some of these are like a bat and a skull. So two of them are Gothic-y, but the rest of them are just Valentine's-y or vintage-y, pink and black. It doesn't even have to be Valentine's, it's pink and black. And then here is some that are, this one I think, well, not really. I think they're all just usable year-round. I don't really see Gothic. Maybe this one because there's a couple of bats, but that's all. I love her tags are always, the tags are always different shapes. I think she makes the best tags in ephemera, and I love the different sizes. I'm going back. And then here's the pockets. This pocket is Gothic-y, Gothic, but the rest of them are not. This is Gothic. The rest of them really aren't. Maybe the crow. Here is, oh, and this is where I needed to change my ink, so this is on me, not her. But I didn't know it when I was doing it. Here is belly bands or lace that she gives you. This is the large kit, and here is doilies, and you can see where I needed to change my ink and I didn't realize it. And then the last are the buttons. Those buttons are so neat, aren't they? So guys, I want you to go check it out. I will give the small, I don't know how many pages would be in the small kit. I think it's only 12, but then this is the large kit. When I looked today, I think it was on sale. I think it had 3 more hours. I don't know when this is getting posted and how quick you're going to see it. You might be a week behind. So go check it out. Go heart. Go put it in your cart. You never know when it's going to go on sale. It's not that expensive, so I don't have to buy stuff on sale because it's such a good price anyway. So go check it out and have a good time with these beautiful images. It is from Modernistic Print Shop on Etsy, and it's called the Gothic Valentine's Junk Journal Kit, and you get a lot with this. She does have it on 40% off, but I don't know how long that's going to last. Just do your research, and I know you're going to love her shop. It has got beautiful, beautiful artwork. So, and she has a lot of stuff. She's pretty new, and I'm loving all her work that she's been doing and everything. So I wanted to show you this. And if you're into Gothic, let me know, and maybe I'll even do a giveaway for people that like Gothic. So if you like Gothic, comment down below, and I'll make a junk journal, and I will gift it. So why don't we do that? I haven't done that in a long time, and why don't we have fun with it and do something like that, and I can gift it away. I was blessed by this shop to give me stuff, and I'm going to pass it forward and gift to someone else. But you got to like Gothic, because I'm going to add all of it, and it's so pretty anyway. You just can't go wrong. So yeah, let's do that. Let's have fun with it. I haven't gifted in a long time to just random. I do have Happy Mail go out to a lot of people. So yeah, let's do that. Let's have fun with it. So I want to pass it forward. So guys, there it is. It's beautiful. All the links are down below. You never know what I'm going to do. So follow me, because I didn't know I was going to gift this away until today. So have a blessed day. All the links are down below. Bye.